welcome back to this video. So you can see this box. So that this box is for exercising in the treadmill. So if you have a question in the comments, so here's the reason why that we need a treadmill. First, with my parents, they can't go to the real gym in some mall because it's quarantine now and COVID-19. So mommy just buy this box, which is a treadmill for her to exercise. So let's get it started now. And also, but before we start, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe, like, and click the bell. Let's get started.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, welcome back. So, mommy and daddy were done fixing the treadmill. Ta-da! So if you want to do some sit-ups, you can use this one. Or if you want to use dumbbells, then here's the dumbbell, the color red. And this is the treadmill. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. So first, press start, and then look, it's 10, the speed of it, look, it's starting. But if you want to make it faster, then you can do that one. For me, so since I'm still a beginner, then still medium or slow. Like this, it's 10 of the speed, and look, it's also a bit slow. Whee! So that's all for how to use the treadmill. That's all to use the treadmill, and thanks for watching. And also subscribe, like, and click the bell. Don't forget that. Bye, Andre out.